Okay, and this is Lexi, take 2. Lexi, where's the Hot Wheel?
Where's the Hot Wheel? Let's see where's the Hot Wheel. It's right there. Come on. Hold on. I'm only going to do one this time. Hold this one. Oh, I almost got through.
She's getting faster and faster. How long did it take her first time? Like she watched it go around, what, 5 times?
A few times. It hit her foot. I'm angry. Give me the Hot Wheel. And she's like,
And she tracked it. She was patiently tracking it, wasn't she?
see, try 2 now. No. It's easier with just one.
Okay, ready, Lexi girl? Which one's her favorite one?
This one.
The green one. Oh, Lexi doesn't even let it go. Lexi, let it go.
Okay, let's try this one.
That's gonna pee my pants.
Lexi, move your foot.
She's very proud of herself. She doesn't care if she stands on it. She's got this down to a science. It was irritating her when she couldn't catch it.
Where is it?
Okay, one more time, Lexi.
Okay.
Where is it, Lexi?
Oh!
Good girl.